The surface effect of CNC machining aluminum case is not good. It is possible to change the surface treatment to make an improvement. Recently, people always ask us where we make the surface treatment for the CNC machining aluminum case because they thought the effect is perfect. If you have any problems about the surface treatment of CNC machining aluminum case, it cannot be solved by changing another surface treatment factory. Because if the surface treatment factory does not know the quality standard of your parts, it will not be able to make it well, and it will only increase the cost. This is just like a customer who needs you to make the CNC machining aluminum case. Both parties need to be communicated and make clear about the quality standard. One needs to pay attention to and how to control it. There needs a standard for all the parts. Only in this way we can make a high-quality CNC machining case. That's all for today. If you have any questions related to CNC machining, please leave a message and then subscribe to us.